Hello guys, this is Amin from CodeGems, and I've just created my dashboard according to raw data that I have recently got. And before going towards the video, please like this video and subscribe my channel CodeGems. So this is my completely interactive dashboard. We have some date drop down, have country, region, province, state, and total cases, and you can grab this file, the data set, from this link, and I have given this link in the comment section below. I've created lots of graphs over here and lots of tables over here. The drop downs, I put some icons to show some creativity, or you can say I have implemented some design aspects in this. So you can see this dashboard is fully much interactive and looking good. And you can also get this the .pbix files from here as well. This is my link, and this will be given in the comment section below. I have maps, I have recovered date, recovered daily by date, the deaths daily by date, and you can see where you can get that PBX file and import in your Power BI desktop, and you can overview all the dashboard and how I created the dashboard, this one. So I have country, region, province, state, and confirmed cases, recovered cases, total death, and most importantly, this data is of around the 29th of Feb. And in fact, this is not the updated data, but I've just utilized my work from home scene and just created the dashboard for you people to utilize your days, your free days, or you can have your free times to learn this kind of data and this kind of skills that you definitely need. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.